Hello, in front of me I've got 70 my 1S D06 Dash Cam. In this video I'll show you how to install system update. In the beginning make sure that your camera is connected with the app and then enter the app. Tap on Free Lights button, enter firmware update, then download the update and select push to dashcam now. Connect now, push now, confirm, and now the update is being installed on the camera system. The process will end itself after a certain amount of time. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.